Hello guys, so today we'll be studying a little bit of vitamins. Hope it will add some vitamins to our body also. This is especially for boards, okay? Chemistry, part of chemistry, not biology, okay? So we have tried to make it simpler for you so that you don't face any problem, because I know many of you guys don't have the combination of PCMB or PCB. So in that case, you are quite handicapped in this chapter. Those who already have biology, they are quite well thorough with this one, and they are having no problems. And when one section of students have some problem and one section doesn't, then it is a big problem, right? So don't worry, the difference will not be there between the two sections of students after this, I guess, at least in boards. So see, vitamins are basically of two types. One is water soluble type, another is fat soluble type. So if you see vitamin B complex and C, these are fat soluble types, and A, D, E, K, these vitamins are water soluble, okay? And now we'll be studying. So if anybody asks you what are the vitamins which are water soluble vitamins, you have to remember A, D, E, K, and vitamin B complex and C is fat soluble. And there is another vitamin which is a part of vitamin B complex, that is vitamin H. It is also called biotin. Remember, it is neither fat nor water soluble, so it doesn't form under these two categories, okay? This doesn't fall under these two categories. So now one by one we'll be studying what is required for these vitamins, water soluble vitamins, what are asked and what is expected from you. Remember, in chemistry syllabus it is not required to remember the scientific names or the structures for the vitamin part. So for vitamin A, what is the function of vitamin A? That you have to remember: growth and vision. So if the vitamin A is deficient in your body, you will be blind. So there is a disease called night blindness, okay? In Bengali it is called ratkana. So another disease is there, xerophthalmia, okay? So there are two diseases that you have to remember in case of vitamin A: xerophthalmia and night blindness, okay? Because it helps in growth and vision. Next is vitamin D. It controls calcium phosphorus metabolism, okay? Calcium phosphorus metabolism. So what are calcium and phosphorus really related with? It is related with bones, and you know that. So the diseases are rickets and osteomalacia. Osteo means anything that is related with bones, that is called osteo, okay? Vitamin E, very important because it deals with, its function is dealing with reproduction, and if you don't have vitamin E, then it will damage your reproductive system. Then it is vitamin K. Now vitamin K deals with clotting of blood, okay? If vitamin K is not there, your blood will not clot and you will fall prey to hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means whenever there will be a little bleeding from, or there is a little minor wound in your body, then you will have lots and lots of bleeding, okay? Lots of bleeding. So because the blood will not clot, because you have deficiency of vitamin K. So in vitamin A, function is growth and vision, okay? And the disease is xerophthalmia, night blindness. Vitamin D, calcium phosphorus metabolism, rickets, osteomalacia. Vitamin E, reproduction, damage to reproductive system. Vitamin K is clotting, hemorrhage, okay? So these are the basic things that you need to remember. So it is very easy, you see. You read one or two times and you can remember anything. Next, we'll go into vitamin B complex and C, okay? You don't need to do this vitamin H, okay? But still we'll do it in it. So vitamin B complex mein vitamin B1 first of all. So this is having function in the nervous system. Diseases, beriberi anemia. Have to remember, beriberi anemia, okay? Vitamin B2 is body growth. Disease, cracking of skin. If you don't have vitamin B2, there will be cracking of skin, which is called cheilosis, okay? Vitamin B6. B6 helps in blood formation, and if you don't have vitamin B6, then it is having some diseases that is called acrodynia. Now acrodynia is basically dermatitis in your rats, okay? And there is another disease called pellagra, which basically means shriveled skin, okay? Vitamin B12, it also helps in blood formation. So this will have disease like pernicious anemia, okay? For vitamin C, which is more important than vitamin H, so we'll cover vitamin C first. For vitamin C, it deals with bones and healing, that means resistance to diseases. If you see, vitamin C is present in your lemon and all, so basically it gives you immunity power. So, and it also deals with bones. So the disease associated is pyuria and scurvy. Okay. Vitamin H, as the name stands for, it deals with hair, and if you don't have that, then you will have loss of hair, right? So what all you have to remember over here is, mainly if you see, this is important. Rickets is important. Scurvy is important, asked in examination. Pernicious anemia is important. Here anemia is important. Okay, these things generally asked. Hemorrhage is once asked in JEE examination. Okay, night blindness is important, very well known to biology students. Okay, so these things you just take care. Vitamin A, night blindness. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin C, scurvy. See, scurvy and rickets, generally people, what happens is both of them basically deals with bones, so that is why it is very difficult, sometimes we get confused. So it is better to remember that scurvy, which has more of C in it, will be having due to deficiency of vitamin C, and for vitamin D, rickets. For vitamin D, rickets, and for vitamin C we will have scurvy. Vitamin K, hemorrhage, you will remember easily. Vitamin B1, beriberi anemia. Vitamin B12 is pernicious anemia. Okay, if there is one, there will be anemia, whether it is 1 or 1-2. Okay, and vitamin B6 is acrorynia, dermatitis in rat, and there can be pellagra. And cheilosis, that is cracking of skin, only in during deficiency of vitamin B12. Okay, oh sorry, B2. So that's it about the vitamins. Please do it very fast. Only a 7.5 minutes video. उसमें भी बहुत बकबक आलतू फालतू का है. So take just the needed ones and complete this part also by tonight. Thank you.